A garden should be an extension of your home, a place to relax, unwind, and connect with nature. Imagine stepping out of your back door into a serene oasis, where the hustle and bustle of daily life fades away, replaced by the gentle rustling of leaves and the sweet scent of blooming flowers. What better way to do that than with a dedicated garden room? These versatile spaces can transform your outdoor area into a functional and beautiful retreat, tailored to your specific needs and desires. Imagine escaping to your own private sanctuary, surrounded by the sights, sounds, and scents of your garden. Whether it's the chirping of birds, the fragrance of roses, or the sight of lush greenery, a garden room immerses you in nature's embrace. A garden room can be so much more than just a shed. It can be a stylish extension of your living space, designed with comfort and aesthetics in mind. Think of it as a blank canvas where you can express your creativity and personal style. It can be a place to pursue your hobbies, whether it's painting, potting, or simply curling up with a good book. Imagine having a dedicated space where you can lose yourself in your favorite activities, free from distractions and interruptions. It can be a home office, providing a peaceful and inspiring environment to work. In today's world, where remote work is becoming increasingly common, having a separate space to focus and be productive is invaluable. Or it can simply be a place to relax and enjoy the company of friends and family. Picture hosting intimate gatherings, where laughter and conversation flow freely, all within the cozy confines of your garden room. The beauty of a garden room is its versatility. It can adapt to your changing needs and preferences, evolving with you over time. Whether you need a quiet retreat, a creative studio, or a social hub, a garden room can be all of these and more. It can be as simple or as elaborate as you like, reflecting your own personal style and needs. From minimalist designs to luxurious setups, the possibilities are endless. You can choose the decor, furnishings, and features that best suit your taste and lifestyle. Whether you dream of a cozy hideaway or a bright and airy studio, a garden room can make it a reality. Imagine a space filled with natural light, where you can feel inspired and rejuvenated every day. So why not consider adding a garden room to your own backyard? It's a project that can enhance your quality of life, providing a unique space that brings joy and tranquility. It's an investment that will pay dividends in enjoyment, relaxation, and a deeper connection to the natural world. By creating a garden room, you're not just adding a structure to your property, you're cultivating a lifestyle that values peace, creativity, and the beauty of nature. The first step in creating your garden room is choosing the right location. This decision will set the foundation for everything else you do, so take your time and consider all the factors. Consider how you want to use the space. Are you looking for a quiet retreat to read and relax, or a lively area for entertaining guests? Your intended use will influence many aspects of your garden room. Do you envision basking in the morning sun, or seeking refuge from the afternoon heat? The amount of sunlight your garden room receives can greatly affect its comfort and usability. South-facing locations offer the most sunlight, making them ideal for those who love warmth and light. On the other hand, north-facing spots provide cooler shade, perfect for hot summer days. Think about the view from your garden room. A beautiful view can enhance your enjoyment of the space, whether you're looking out at a flower bed or a panoramic vista of your entire garden. Do you want to overlook a beautiful flower bed or enjoy a panoramic vista of your entire garden? Consider the practicalities too. For instance, how will the view change with the seasons? Ensure there's easy access from your house, especially if you plan to use the room year-round. A garden room that's difficult to reach may end up being underused. Don't forget about shelter. Your garden room should be protected from the elements, especially strong winds and heavy rain. This will ensure that the space remains comfortable and usable in all weather conditions. Look for a spot that's naturally sheltered by trees or hedges, or consider adding a fence or wall for additional protection. This can also add a sense of privacy to your garden room. Finally, check for any underground utilities like water pipes or electrical cables before you start building. This step is crucial to avoid any potential hazards or costly repairs down the line. It's always best to be safe than sorry. Taking the time to plan and prepare will ensure that your garden room is a safe, enjoyable, and beautiful addition to your home. With the location set, it's time for the fun part, furnishing your garden room. Think about how you want to use the space. Will it be a reading nook, a creative studio, or a place to entertain friends? Comfortable seating is essential. Opt for weather-resistant furniture like rattan, metal, or treated wood. Cushions and throws add a splash of color and extra comfort on cooler days. A sturdy table is a must-have, whether for dining, working, or potting plants. Consider built-in shelving or storage to keep your belongings organized and maximize space. Don't be afraid to add personality with decorative touches. Rugs, lanterns, and wall art can transform your garden room into a true reflection of your style. The right lighting is crucial for creating a warm and inviting atmosphere in your garden room. During the day, maximize natural light with large windows or French doors. Skylights are a fantastic way to flood the space with sunshine. For evenings, choose a mix of ambient and task lighting. String lights add a touch of whimsy, while wall sconces provide focused illumination for reading or hobbies. Consider installing dimmer switches to adjust the mood. If you plan to use your garden room year-round, think about heating options. Electric heaters provide instant warmth, while wood-burning stoves offer a cozy and traditional feel. Good insulation is essential for retaining heat and reducing energy costs. No garden room is complete without plants. They purify the air, add life and color, and enhance the sense of being surrounded by nature. Choose plants that thrive in the light conditions of your garden room. Shade-loving ferns and peace lilies are ideal for north-facing rooms, while succulents and cacti bask in the sun. Create a vertical garden with hanging baskets or shelves filled with trailing plants. Place larger potted plants in corners to create a sense of enclosure. And don't forget about fresh flowers. A vase filled with blooms from your garden adds a touch of elegance and a burst of fragrance. Section 6. A place for all seasons. Adapting your garden room. With a little planning, you can enjoy your garden room year-round. In the summer, open the windows wide to let in the breeze and the sounds of nature. Add a ceiling fan for extra air circulation. As the weather cools, invest in thermal curtains or blinds to keep the heat in. Rugs and throws provide extra warmth and comfort. Consider a portable fire pit or chimenea for cozy evenings under the stars. In winter, make your garden room a haven from the cold. Decorate with fairy lights and candles to create a magical atmosphere. Enjoy hot drinks and board games with loved ones. Section 7. Maintenance made easy, keeping your retreat pristine. A little maintenance goes a long way in keeping your garden room looking its best. Sweep the floor regularly to remove leaves and debris. Wipe down surfaces with a damp cloth to prevent dust buildup. Check for any leaks or drafts, especially before the winter months. Repair or replace any damaged weather stripping or sealant. Clean the windows and mirrors for a sparkling finish. Don't forget about your plants. Water them regularly and provide the appropriate amount of sunlight and humidity. Repot them as needed to ensure they have enough space to grow. Section 8. Creating your own garden haven. A personal touch. The most important ingredient in creating a successful garden room is your own personal touch. Choose colors, textures, and furnishings that make you feel happy and relaxed. Don't be afraid to experiment and have fun with it. Add a hammock for lazy afternoons, a bird feeder to attract feathered friends, or a water feature for a touch of tranquility. Your garden room should be a reflection of your personality and a place where you can truly relax and be yourself. Section 9. The unexpected guest. A garden room surprise. Imagine this. It's a crisp autumn morning and you're enjoying a cup of tea in your garden room. The air is fresh and the scent of fallen leaves mingles with the aroma of your tea. The sun streams through the windows, casting a warm golden glow that illuminates the colorful leaves outside. Each leaf seems to dance in the gentle breeze, creating a mesmerizing display of autumn's beauty. Suddenly, you hear a gentle rustling sound coming from behind a potted fern. The sound is soft but unmistakable, stirring your curiosity. You slowly approach, heart pounding with a mix of excitement and wonder. What could it be? You take each step carefully, not wanting to startle whatever is hiding there. Peeking over the edge of the pot, you find a hedgehog. Its tiny, quivering nose and beady eyes peek out from its spiky exterior. Curled up in a ball, fast asleep. The little creature looks so peaceful, completely at ease in your garden room. This delightful encounter reminds you that your garden room isn't just an escape for you, it's a haven for wildlife too. Birds, insects, and small mammals all find refuge here, creating a vibrant ecosystem right in your backyard. And what could be more rewarding than sharing your little slice of paradise with the creatures of your garden? Watching them thrive and interact with the environment you've created brings a sense of fulfillment and joy. So go on, create your own garden room and open the door to unexpected joys and delightful surprises. Embrace the beauty of nature and the unexpected guests it brings. Your garden room can be a sanctuary for both you and the wildlife that visits, making every moment spent there a magical experience.